Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York, and I asked you, how'd I like this? This one is really interesting and fun. This comes from a series I was doing with really hard light. I wanted it to feel like, well, not all the light was hard, I should say. I wanted light to feel very natural and raw. And this model had come to the studio and she's out on my balcony. I also used a very high contrast black and white profile. It wasn't the profile that I bought, but one, I kind of made it to really kind of blow out the whites and bring the blacks in really crunchy, because I wanted it to feel like I was shooting high-speed black and white film. If you've ever shot high-speed black and white film, it can get grainy. That's one factor, and some people just add grain to their pictures to make it look like that. But also, you start to lose, just like when you raise your ISO, you start to lose dynamic range. So high-speed black and white films tend to be very contrasty. There's ways around it, and people learn how to process it and develop it to reduce that, but basically they're very contrasty. So that's what I was going for here. This is a single hard light. It's a dado light. It's a constant light. And the reason why I use that is because I wanted some control, right? I wanted to be able to not have it hit her whole leg over here and have it fall off to dark down here. It even goes dark towards her face, which is something I was working on at the time. I wanted to kind of create images that were about shape. So if we look at like the legs coming in, right, we're creating these like odd angles. And then we kind of look up and see the person up there. I mean, not that you don't recognize this person right away, but your eye starts to travel that way. So I did actually have over here off camera, just kind of leaning on probably a C-stand, if I can remember right, a silver card, just to kick back a little bit of light. So that's how we have light around the other side of her. And also we can actually see right here, it fills in a little bit under her arm. But it is one light, and it's just kind of ripping across, giving that hard, raw feel. Pretty light is fantastic, and it's great for a lot of things. But sometimes when you're trying to tell a story, hard, raw light is the way to go. But let me know how you would do this. Would I do it different today? Probably not. I would probably use my LED light instead of my tungsten light just because that's what I have. But I think overall, this is how I would create an image like this still to today. So go ahead and make a comment below. Let me know if you got it right, or if you would do something differently, or if you need more information. I will put in the description the light I used or what I would use today if that light's no longer available. I will also put down there a link to my Discord server. If you want to sign up over there, you can join the conversation. Also, it helps the channel if you could like the video, if you could share the video, if you could ring the bell, if you could do all that good stuff. Helps us grow, gets in front of people, us, like I have some money in my pocket, us. Well, us, you and me, together, watching this and creating these videos. Yes, that's us. Anyways, let me know what you think. Comments, description, all that good stuff. I will talk to you soon.